In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pixelate an image in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take any photo on your canvas and give it that blocky, stylized look, perfect for creative effects or quickly obscuring sensitive details. First, open the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Give it a moment to load your last document or start a new one if needed. Make sure the image you want to pixelate is already placed on the canvas. If it isn't, you can place it in your document and then we're ready to go. Next, click on the image to select it. You should see a bounding box with handles appear around it when it's active. If nothing appears, switch to the Move tool and try clicking again. This step is important because the filter we're about to apply needs to know which layer to affect. If you have multiple layers, double check in the Layers panel that the correct image layer is highlighted. Now look to the right side of your workspace for the filter's controls. You'll find them in the Studio panels along the right edge. The icon may look like a funnel or filter symbol, and it's grouped with other effect tools. If your right side panels are hidden, expand them so you can see the filters section. This is your hub for image effects, including pixelation. Click Pixelate. A dialog or panel will open and you'll see a live preview over your selected image. This immediately converts your photo into a grid of square blocks and you can fine-tune the look before applying it. Don't worry if it looks extreme at first, we're about to dial it in. Adjust the quantization setting to control the strength of the effect. Increasing quantization simplifies the image more, turning fine details into larger, more uniform color blocks. Lower values keep more detail and create smaller blocks. A good workflow is to zoom in to 100% so you can clearly see the pixel grid, slide quantization up until you lose the level of detail you don't want, then bring it back slightly to find the sweet spot. For subtle texture, stay on the lower side. For heavy obfuscation or a bold retro look, go higher. Keep an eye on edges and skin tones. Higher quantization can quickly remove identifying features, which is useful for privacy. When you're satisfied with the preview, confirm the change to apply the pixelation to your selected image. And that's it. You've successfully pixelated an image in Affinity Designer with clear control over the final look, all in just a few clicks.